In the world of sports and outdoor watches, Garmin isn't just a brand. It's the standard everything else gets measured against. Whether you're a casual hiker, a daily runner, or a multi-sport athlete who scuba dives on weekends and trail runs on weekdays, there's a Garmin built specifically for how you move. Today I'm ranking the 8 best Garmin watches of 2026, from a $300 lifestyle tracker to an $1,100 do-everything outdoor powerhouse. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, the Garmin Forerunner 265. The Forerunner 265 runs a brilliant AMOLED touchscreen display with traditional button controls in a 46mm case, lightweight enough for daily wear and extended training sessions. Battery life hits up to 13 days in smartwatch mode and 20 hours in GPS mode, which covers long training weeks without constant charging anxiety. The software is where Garmin's expertise shines. Every morning you get a morning report, an overview of your sleep quality, recovery status, HRV, training readiness, and weather before you even decide what today's session looks like. Daily suggested workouts adapt based on your actual performance and recovery, so the plan evolves with you rather than staying static. Safety features include incident detection and an assistance function that sends your live location to emergency contacts. If you're a runner who wants serious training intelligence without the premium Forerunner price, the 265 is where to start. Number 7, the Garmin Forerunner 570. The 570 carries Garmin's brightest AMOLED display yet with an aluminum bezel, running up to 10 days in smartwatch mode and 18 hours in GPS mode. The built-in microphone and speaker let you take phone calls directly from your wrist when paired to your phone. And you can use your smartphone's voice assistant to respond to texts too. The training intelligence is deeper here. You get Garmin Coach training plans for running and triathlon, personalized to your fitness level and adapting continuously based on how your sessions actually go. Training readiness pulls in sleep quality, recovery, training load, and HRV status. Morning and evening reports keep you informed at both ends of the day, waking up with your training outlook and going to bed with a reminder of your sleep needs and tomorrow's workout. For runners and triathletes who want a more complete training ecosystem in a compact, well-built package, the Forerunner 570 delivers. Number 6, the Garmin Forerunner 965. The 965 runs a brilliant AMOLED touchscreen with traditional button controls and a lightweight titanium bezel. Battery life is exceptional, up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours in GPS mode. What sets the 965 apart is the full-color built-in mapping via multi-band GPS. You can confidently run any route without preloading anything. The maps are already there. Race strategy planning is genuinely sophisticated. Input your race and course into Garmin Connect, and the watch generates personalized daily workouts that adapt after every session based on actual performance and recovery. Multi-sport profiles for triathlons, duathlons, brick workouts, and swim runs switch with a button press. Training status indicators flag whether you're training productively, peaking, or pushing into strain territory. If you want full maps, elite-level training metrics, titanium hardware, and nearly a month of battery life in a running-focused package, the Forerunner 965 is hard to argue with. Number 5, the Garmin Instinct 3. And this is the one for people who want Fenix-level backcountry capability without the Fenix price tag, and who appreciate a watch that looks like it means business. The Instinct 3 brings the same multi-band GPS navigation, stellar battery life, and ability to survive harsh environments as the Fenix 8, at a significantly lower price point. Last year's update added a new AMOLED display that's scratch-resistant behind a metal-reinforced bezel, plus a built-in flashlight. I took it weightlifting, snowboarding, biking, and rock climbing, including deliberately smashing it into a rock wall repeatedly. It comes in 40mm, 45mm, and 50mm case sizes, with options for solar charging and the AMOLED screen depending on your budget and preferences. The retro chic design is genuinely fun and distinctive in a world of identical round sports watches. If you're a Garmin traditionalist who wants tough, capable, and fun, this is it. Number 4. The Garmin Forerunner 970. The premium Forerunner is the most capable dedicated running watch Garmin makes. The running-specific software is genuinely next level. Acute impact load tracks how hard a run actually was, not just how long or how fast, but factoring in terrain and effort. A brutal hilly run at a slow pace gets credited correctly rather than dismissed. Running tolerance takes your impact load and total mileage and tells you how many miles Garmin thinks you should be running, helping you avoid overtraining injuries before they happen. One unexpected feature I've genuinely enjoyed: pairing the Forerunner 970 with Oakley Meta Vanguard glasses to auto-capture short video clips every mile during runs. Whether that's for content creation or just showing someone what you saw on the trail, it's a genuinely fun integration. For serious runners and triathletes who want the most advanced training analytics available in a wrist-worn device, the Forerunner 970 is the tool. Number 3. The Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED, the undisputed best sports watch on the planet. The reason it lands at 3 rather than 1 on this list is because for most people, it's more watch than they'll ever need, and the price reflects that. The Fenix 8 can do anything and everything. Best-in-class battery life, weeks on a single charge, up to a month with solar charging. A depth sensor borrowed from Garmin's Descent Dive computer line, which means this watch functions as a full dive computer for scuba and free diving. The built-in LED flashlight sounds like a gimmick and turns out to be genuinely useful in the field. I've taken the 51mm version on snowboarding, trail running, mountain biking, and rock climbing. Every time, its capabilities far outclassed my own. The sapphire glass face and titanium bezel have taken direct impacts against rock faces without a scratch. If you want a watch that will outlast multiple phones, multiple seasons, and multiple sports, and you're prepared to pay for that, the Fenix 8 is the one. Number 2. The Garmin Venu X1, Garmin's direct answer to the Apple Watch Ultra, and for a lot of people, the better choice. The 2-inch AMOLED display is slightly larger than the Apple Watch Ultras, though marginally less sharp. Unlike the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the Venu X1 doesn't have onboard satellite comms. The polymer case is less premium than Apple's titanium, and the onboard speaker and mic, while functional for calls, don't sound as clean. Where Garmin wins decisively: sleep and biometric software. Garmin Connect and Active Intelligence deliver meaningfully more useful health insights than Apple's equivalent features. Preloaded maps don't require separate uploads. And crucially, the Venu X1 works with both iOS and Android, while the Apple Watch is iPhone only. My honest take: if you're deep in Apple's ecosystem and prioritize seamless integration with iPhone, get the Apple Watch Ultra. But if you want longer battery life, thinner design, better sleep and biometric analytics, and cross-platform compatibility, the Venu X1 wins on most of those counts. And the number 1 best Garmin watch for most people in 2026, the Garmin Vivoactive 6. The Vivoactive 6 has a gorgeous, clear AMOLED touchscreen, onboard satellite connectivity, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitoring, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, ambient light sensor, 5 ATM water resistance for tracking water sports, incident detection that alerts your emergency contacts if you fall on a hike, Garmin's Connect software, which has always been free and remains free with the Vivoactive 6, gives you access to all the company's proprietary algorithms and health intelligence. Connect Plus is available for $70 a year if you want AI-enabled features like meal tracking, and it's the only AI fitness service I've tested that I'd describe as genuinely useful. But you don't need it to get full value out of this watch. Garmin devices age exceptionally well. The software keeps improving long after purchase. And for most people who want to track their health, stay active, and have access to the best fitness intelligence in the business, this is the one to buy. There are your 8 best Garmin watches for 2026. Links to all 8 are in the description below. If this video helped you find the right Garmin for your lifestyle, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe for more pics, and I'll see you in the next one.